Campbell did an excellent job. You know, I reached out to Campbell for a schedule, and I know that that was going to be, it was going to evolve because we have so many tenants, so many different personalities involved. Campbell put together a monthly schedule for me on a floor-by-floor basis. And quite frankly, I thought it was going to change on a daily basis. But for the most part, through 4.5 months, the whole process far exceeded my expectations.
If you're a building manager or an engineer and you're looking for an installation company for your project that could be very large, you want to make sure that there's some background, that you have some history with projects of this size. Campbell WIndow Film absolutely fits that bill.
Campbell Film is the company who contacted me, and I was very impressed with the presentation that was made and the samples of the product that he brought out. I chose Riot Glass because I was very impressed with the quality of the product I saw in the videos. The demonstrations were very effective and showed how difficult it would be to get through the glass.
One thing I did like, we had a supervisor. He was here day one to the end of the project, so we had one point of contact. They got into the routine very, very quickly, and the whole process went substantially quicker than I thought it would, and with very, very few tenant complaints.
Campbell WIndow Film are, the cream of the crop. They have the horsepower to be able to do it. They can execute. They can write the contracts. They have the back end. They have the financial stability.
Well, the installation portion of the job went extremely smooth. We work with a lot of installers in our business, so I'm pretty critical on service level, and the people from Campbell Film were extremely professional, obviously knew what they were doing. They were in and out of here very quickly, very clean. When they left, there was nothing left behind, so I was very impressed with the quality of the people. All of them were top level.
Campbell is very organized and helped us through that process.
I think we're all feeling much more secure. I feel that the property is protected as high as I can possibly get it without taking away from the look of the building, because there is a lot of glass. So it gives us much more secure feeling within the building. I'm very glad that we went ahead with it.
Campbell WIndow Film does it as good as anybody.